What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. A while back, I posted a smoothie bowl I made on my Instagram for breakfast, and one of my subscribers and friend, Tyler, asked me to make a video showing you how I make them. So of course, I decided to be extra as hell and make 3 of my favorite ones. First up is this Peanut Butter Delight smoothie bowl. You will need vanilla, peanut butter protein, peanut butter, and frozen bananas. Put all of your ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth. You can also add a little bit of almond milk to help with the blending. Place your smoothie into a bowl and top it with banana coins, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and chopped dates. This is so freaking scrumptious, you guys. I love it. It tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Next, we're making this tropical sunrise bowl. For this one, you will need spinach, almond milk, and frozen bananas, peaches, mangoes, and pineapple. I buy a bag that has all of these frozen fruits together. Again, you're going to blend this up and put it into a bowl. I'm topping this one with pineapple, dragon fruit, and star fruit. This one is super colorful and refreshing, and it's not too sweet, which I love. And finally, I'm making my very berry bowl. For this one, you will need almond milk, vanilla, frozen bananas, and frozen blueberries. You know the drill, blend it and place it in a bowl. This one I'm topping with all kinds of fresh berries and coconut flakes. That's it. You can add protein powder to any of these to make them a little bit more filling, top them with different ingredients of your choosing. Either way, these are a great way to get your fruits in for the day and a delicious way to start your day. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see y'all next week.